Hello, dear students. So what we are going to do now is we're going to learn about the background of the play, All My Sons. But first we're going to learn about the background of the writer, Arthur Miller. So Arthur Miller is an American playwright and essayist. His father was financially ruined in the Great Economic Depression, מיתון כלכלי. So he was very affected by that. This incident affected Miller's tremendously. This knowledge of economy remained the central theme of his plays. So you are going to see again in this play also, All My Sons, you are going to see how the economic situation, the financial situation is a motive that repeats itself. During his youth, he worked in various fields. That experience made him aware about the situation of lower middle class people. So you are going to see that our play deals with the American society, lower class, high class people and their lives. He considered himself as an American liberal. Miller frequently faced difficulties with conservative and reactionary circles in America. So this is a little bit about him. And now we are going to read a little bit about the background to All My Sons. Okay, so before I read, I will mention that the play takes place, the setting takes place in America during the 1940s, 50s, and it's after the Second World War II. And then there's something that maybe perhaps you have learned in history lessons, the Cold War. So America is very in a lot of tension, in a lot of stress between wars. And this play, even though it was written a little bit after, deals with that time. So the play deals with the moral problems and dilemmas that face people who live in capitalistic, חברה capitalistic society like America, and the tension that existed between the concern a person feels for one's own family and the responsibility one should have for society as a whole. The play introduces the Keller family. The Keller family is in the center of the story. You will see that there are a lot of characters. Sometimes it will be difficult to remember which is who, so you are going to read about each character. As we continue, you are going to read about each character on its own, but know that the Keller family is in the center of this dilemma of the story. A well-to-do family, it means that they are very rich, that lives in the suburbs, בפרברים of American town, in a comfortable house that provides a sense of security. They are presented as a nice family that are liked by their neighbors. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to let you read by yourselves. This document is added to your slide. You need to read the entire page. Once you finish reading, you go to the link of the Padlet and then you can answer one question out of 3. So don't forget to state your name at the top, at the title, write which question did you answer, and then you can answer on your own. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next lessons.